Hi guys, goldfries here at AORUS Suite here in Taipei 101, and this is the AC300W casing from AORUS. You guys might have seen the news about it. So this is the casing itself in its full glory with lights on and the entire rig set up. There's nothing much to actually talk about this casing actually. Basically, it's just a casing from AORUS. You get an AORUS logo over here, AORUS logo on the PSU shroud, and this works great in matching up with an AORUS graphics card and AORUS heatsink. And as for the memory here, unfortunately this one is not an AORUS memory, simply because I think the demo units are all outside. But nevertheless, most of the things here are AORUS. The motherboard, cooler, graphics card, casing, whatever else. Alright, so that's it for this video over here at AORUS booth. Thanks for tuning in, and do remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos for Computex 2018 coverage. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.
Ya, biasa kayak anak muda.